I, Ashok Arora, express my gratitude to Grewal Eye Institute for providing me successful second cataract eye surgery. Grewal Eye Institute is well equipped with modern facilities and equipment to provide world-class eye treatment. Dr. Grewal is a well-qualified ophthalmologist, knowledgeable, talented, high-degree professional and has dealt with very challenging and difficult eye surgeries and an outstanding professional in his field. I know Dr. Grewal since he started his practice in garage and servant quarter in Sector 11. I had my parents, a lot of family members operated by him. He still works with same zeal and same empathy and compassion towards patients as earlier. He is a great leader and is able to motivate his team to perform to their best. Furthermore, Grewal Eye Institute has a great backup team of professional staff who take care of their patients right from the reception desk before, during and after the treatment. My sincere thanks to the staff of Dr. Grewal Eye Institute.